Hi guys, welcome back to Flappy Bird episode 3. So let's get started. If we run the project, you see that we have our Flappy Bird and it's working perfectly. But as you see, there is no win condition because the game goes on forever. But there is no death condition. So if I touch the pipes, I should die, which I don't. Supposed to add a death animation. Okay. So what we're gonna do is if touching pipes broadcast game over. And then when I receive game over, you're first of all going to stop other scripts in this sprite so that we're unable to move. Copy everything and then paste everything in here. If we run the project though, everything just stops. And now this is the perfect time to add our death animation. So, what we're gonna do is make a new custom block called death animation. Do not hit run without screen refresh. Okay? So first of all, we're going to set speed Y to 0. And then we're just going to repeat until your Y position is less than, let's say, 165, negative 165. Less than negative 165. Duplicate that, get rid of the other stuff, and then just do that. And if this is there, you're going to do that. And then that's your death animation. So, if you just die pretty quickly, it won't work. Because we never called death animation. So let's do this again. There you go, it worked. Okay. But there are also some other ways that we can die. And that one of them is if we're too high, and if we're too low, we also die. So, let's try and implement that right now. Make a new custom block called death check for all sprites. Oh. Do not make a list, make a block called death check. Run without screen refresh. Okay. Drag in if touching pipe. And then drag in death check right after that if statement. So we're gonna have or. And if you're touching either edge, then you're gonna do do a death check. If touching edge. So if we run the project right now, I die even if I touch the top and the bottom. Perfect. Let's continue playing for a while. There you go, I died again. Okay. So, now, that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Here's just a bit more gameplay. There you go, I died. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.